Good morning, guys. Since it's nice today and it's not as windy up here, I figured I'd come up here and make a video on my 21-inch light bar that I installed in the bumper of the blue truck here with no drilling at all. No holes in the bumper, nothing. And it's very secure. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Good morning, guys. Figured I'd come up here to Greer's Ferry and do a little video here. I've seen a lot of people do these light bars in these bumpers, but a lot of them require you to drill holes in here or down here, either one. And I decided I was going to try something a little bit differently. Get down here and see. So this truck had the license plate frame right here when we bought it, and I bought a light bar. This is a 21.5-inch light bar. It's got the bottom feet mount, and let me see if I can get a better picture in here. No. Anyways, it has from the factory a hole here and a hole here, as well as two up here for the license plate frame. So what I did is I drilled those out a little bit to accept a bolt, and bought a smaller 2 bolts for the light bar. And as you can see, it fits nicely up in there. It doesn't stick out, which is one of my big things. And you can still adjust it back there. I don't know if you can see that, but you can adjust it up and down. And as far as running the wires, I pulled this headlight out. I don't know what through here. Yes, I'm gonna neaten this up a little bit more. Run it back through here and up to the battery, and the light bar straight to the battery. And the same thing for the ground. I put my fuse and relay down here inside of the battery box. And then as far as the other power wire that I had to run, I run it right here to the fuse box. Nice and clean. It looks kind of factory. I'm gonna clean this up as well, and then run it over and down through that grommet down in there and into the cab. Now, I haven't figured out where I want to mount the switch yet, but right now I just run it up to this piece. This piece pops down, and you can feed it up through there. But I don't know where I want to put this yet, so I just got it right here. But yeah, I'll get some pictures of it on and off here in just a second. Okay, and also the nylite wiring harness, you have to extend the power wire for this truck, but it's not really that big of a deal. And as far as the ground for the switch, I got it grounded in there. Keeps everything nice and clean. Turn this on. It is pretty bright, just like I did with the headlights and the interior lights on this truck. I will get a video at night for you guys, so you can see how it compares to the LED headlights. Also, comment down below if you have any ideas of where I should put this switch. I thought about putting it here, or maybe some of these pieces around here. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you liked today's video. A little bit different. Thought I'd make this video because it's something I've never seen people do. I've seen a lot of people put the light bars in the bumper, like I said, but never like that. But if you like today's video, please leave a like and comment down below. Tell me what you think, and subscribe, and go watch my giveaway video. We'll be giving away a set of rock lights at 500 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Okay, guys, I've talked about the light bar in today's video. I'm going to show y'all here at night. I'm here at the house, if you can see the house over there, and our porch is about 30 or 40 foot away. It needs to be adjusted a little bit more. It lights up the trees way down there. You can't see it, but and it is pointed down a little too much. It does need adjusted, but I'll get to that one of these days. Turn the headlights on here and turn the light bar off. Headlights on. This is the LED headlights, and then light bar. High beam headlights, low beams, no light bar, no headlights. But yeah, I mean, it is pretty bright. It does help a lot here around the house, because we do not have any street lights down our road at all. But yeah, guys, like the LED headlights, I'm going to try to find a link to the light bar and the harness down below, and I'll put it in the description if I can find it. Thanks for watching, guys.